So just like to check, today is the 3rd of February. Yesterday I have sent request to the Datainspektionen regarding possible data breach and why Arbetsförmedlingen is collecting data about me. For example, this game TechBuddy. I've applied for this job over 1 year ago, and they send me this if I am interested to work in. When you click on it, it takes you to a Google Doc form, and then I've already filled in this, providing my name and everything, and submitted this. The point of this demonstration is to see if, in fact, after they have received my request and Datainspektionen has already done its investigation, if this will go away, which shows you that they have been trying to solicit information from me. So I will come back in a few days, possibly 2 or 3 days, I don't know, and come back and check if this doc has been removed. So this is sent in January 3rd, as you can see, and still up and running today, February 3rd.